Welcome in from the storm. Here, take this towel.
It's good to see you both.
Thank you, grandmother, grandfather.
You must be freezing. I'm soaked.
Come on, wear these. Help me with these, kids. Wow, look at these patterns.
This one is so pretty, Grandpa.
See the clouds it makes? Now the flavor is ready.
It looks like magic.
It smells so good, Grandmother.
Oh, it's perfect.
Wow, that looks amazing.
Can we eat it now?
Dinner is served.
Wow.
Wow.
Looks delicious, Grandma.
Careful. It's hot. Looks perfect.
Thank you. Thank you.
He did well, didn't he? Enjoy.
Enjoy. Bye.
It's okay, dear. You're safe now.
You're safe now.
Don't worry, children. Let's eat and be thankful. Everything will be all right.
Okay, Grandpa.
Thanks, Grandma.
Here, eat. Thank you, Grandmother.
Looks delicious.
That was a loud one. I'm not scared. I know. You're very brave. See? Just a storm. Do you hear that?
What is it, Grandpa?
I'm scared.
Just listen. Something is coming. The storm has grown. Look how the trees bend.
What is that moving in the shadows, Grandpa? Whoa!
Welcome home. Dinner is ready.
We're back.
Are you all right?
Yes, I'm okay now.
Let's eat.
Try these, dear.
Wow.
Thank you, Grandma. Pickles. Yum.
And that's how the raccoon got his tail stuck in the teapot.
Really?
I would never lie about a raccoon.
The storm's getting worse. It's closer
safe, children. The cabin is strong. The lantern returns.
The storm is getting worse, Grandpa.
We are ready.
It's all right, Anna.
Such a storm tonight.
Here, dear. Everything is all right.
Thank you. Come back to the table now, sweet one. We're all here.
Okay, Grandma. I'm coming.
The storm's getting worse. I know.
Be careful, dear.
Don't worry, I got it.
Quickly, son!
Yes, I got it.
Watch out for that puddle.
There, it's catching it.
Good job, my boy.
He did it.
See the strength in the wood, my boy. That's how we weather the storm together.
I understand, Grandfather. Here, child. Take this. Thank you. Gramps. Oh,
It's all right. Stay calm.
together.
Got it.
Be safe.
Help me move this, son.
I'll get the towel down.
Slow and steady. Perfect.
I think it's passing.
Thank goodness.
Would you like more tea?
The way to fill the night with warmth is to light it.
Yes, Grandfather.
I'm watching.
Good night, my dear, dear.
me.